So guys, here we have a Mitcham Test Centre test going on. This test happened at 10:04. Now this was it's a route that I hadn't actually seen before, but I knew actually existed. So it was good I actually caught it on camera. So obviously the examiner goes onto one of those side roads. I was facing towards the South Croydon side, and she goes around the bend and she actually turns the car around and brings the car back facing towards where the Costco is. So she's going to turn it around, well, not she, but the students turning it around, and then they drive back and she tells the student to turn right. And then what they do is they go past the Hilton Hotel, which is on the left now, and then at the traffic lights they are going to be turning right. So make sure you're practicing not just lefts, which is the 40 miles an hour, but also the right. So there's a little space here which you should go. So he was quite lucky there was no cars. And then what they do is they chuck a left coming up at the traffic lights, and this is where the old Amazon warehouse used to be. I remember I went to this warehouse during COVID when I worked, had no choice but to work for Amazon. And then there's a little mini roundabout which is that they just did. They go around this block, and it's just a follow the road round, and at the end of this road they're going to be chucking a left. So be careful here, there is two lanes. You should be on the left hand lane when you're going left. This road is a 30 miles an hour road, so make sure that you know the speed limit of this road. This goes towards where the Wilson Grammar School is on the left, and then you've got the David Lloyd as well. So at the traffic lights they're going to go towards Wallington. So this route is actually following towards Wallington town centre. So I take this route every week, or every day I should say, because my girls go to the Wallington Girls Grammar. So yeah, I know the area very well. So you're into the Wallington town centre, and once they go past Sainsbury's, they stay on the left and you're turning left at the traffic lights. Now what it is down here is they're going to go into there's the Sainsbury's, they're going to go into the car park. This is where the old Wallington Test Centre used to be, and the test used to start from this car park. So he's just waiting for the I think from what I can see it's a bin van, and then what he does is he's going to be turning into the car park, and then the examiner she says do a reverse bay parking. So he does a very good bay parking. He doesn't need to adjust it or anything. So it's a very good bay parking. He's just waiting for this vehicle. Uses all the reference points that I gave in my previous lessons, and he then goes and reverses it, or no, forwards it in. I do apologize, I thought it was a reverse, but it's a forward one. So he forwards parks it inside the bay, and after that I think he does a little bit of correction and he's coming out of the bay. Now once he comes out of the car park, he's actually going to be turning left, and then this route, this is the new bit that I didn't actually think, although I know the roads, but I didn't think they go all the way up towards the Wellington Girls Grammar School. So they go past that, and then you're going to come up to a mini roundabout which they do a right, and that goes towards the single carriageway 40 that you'll see in a minute. So it's just going to come up to the roundabout. Here we are, and turning right in this roundabout, and then this whole road is a 40 road, and it actually will narrow into one single lane, almost like a single lane in a country lane. So as you see over here, he's going down the single lane. This is where the road becomes a lot more narrow, so you have to be careful, and then he does a left over here. Now this road again will lead up towards the it's still a 40, and then it turns into a 30 miles an hour road, and further down you will have another mini roundabout, and what they do here is they tend to go straight ahead. So be careful, make sure you're practicing your mini roundabout skills as you do that. And then he's going at the back of it's called like Foxy Lane, back under basically Brighton Road, and this road's going to come up towards where you're going to get the other 40 miles an hour coming up. So just you're going to see him, you know, just basic side roads doing left and right, and he did only get 2 minor faults. I think one was because he had to correct his maneuver, and one was for mirrors as well. So just these roads are very wide and very nice roads. So overall, very happy with this route. I would want this route every day for all of my students. So the fact that he actually got this route, and you know, I've practiced here quite a few times. It's going up towards the Edge Hill, and then, as I said, the 40 miles an hour where he's just going. So in a minute you'll see as he comes out from here, the exact road. This is the road where the Costco warehouse is. So he's just gonna go up there. Let's see where he goes, because I have seen the video but briefly. So as we go up here, it's just your basic road. Pull up on the left again, and then remember, now they get you to pull up for around about 3 pulling up on the left. Before it used to be 4, so a small change, because they want to see a lot more of the actual driving rather than just maneuvers and pulling up anymore. So here, this is the left I was talking about. So when you do a left here, you are actually following the road into a 40 miles an hour zone. So as soon as the traffic lights, and be careful here because it can be cars could be turning there, and you're allowed to turn, and so are they. So this is the 40 miles an hour zone, and then he's going to go all the way up towards the traffic lights, and then we are going to be turning right, and that will come towards almost the end of the test, where because there was no parking, she actually drove past. She could have taken this first left, but she drove past and went all the way past these bits, and then told him to pull up on the left, and then he reversed it back so he's nice and tucked in. But yeah, this was the test, and I'm glad he passed. So well done, Matt.